Jai Hind everyone, my name is Sweetie and today is my second day of 30-day challenge of spoken English. Yes, and it's a very good thing for me that I am again came to this YouTube because this is the only thing I left. Otherwise, all my practices are going on, and it's a very good thing that I came. Okay, so what I wanna be tell you on about my this 30-day challenge. Like whenever we start any this spoken journey, like especially English, we always think about that we have to be learn grammar and you know that sentence structure, and because we are always used to using our native language, so that's why we are all, this is the biggest fear of ours, like we don't know about grammar and how can we learn grammar, and without grammar how can we learn, how can we speak this language. And yesterday's video I told you about, before learning this grammar sentence structure, we have to be learn how to speak. Whether you speak in Hindi or English, you have to be overcome your fear of speaking. When I started, I in the starting, before taking this challenge, before using this application of like Peer Up, I was very shy. I was very shy to speak even Hindi. When I have at that time I had very that a word I have I had fear of speaking in front of strangers and like speaking. Okay, and now, like as I told you, I have been working my this weakness, so this is the very good thing that now I'm okay. And yes, still am facing some issues, but now I'm doing good, like what I think. Okay, so like today I'm going to tell you, like you have to be maintain your surrounding, like you have to be maintain your surrounding the like with positive persons who really encourage you to do something better. Like if I talk about my surrounding, whether it's my family members, my friend circle, they are always eager to listen me whenever I speak. And they, whenever when I left making videos, they all were like, why you're not making, and it's a good thing, it's not about to be views and subscribers, then you have to make. And when they, and they were following me from the first day, and they can see the changes in me, like okay, and my on my first day I was very weak and not able to speak, and now like on this day, and they can see, they always observe me, that they observe my changes, what changes I got during this 90-day challenge. And because they listen me very carefully, so that's why I'm saying, make your surrounding positive, so these people start encouraging you whenever you start something new. Okay, and the second thing, like whenever sorry, suppose and like you have to be speak from with your surroundings, like if what we do, like whenever we have to be start, it's a very basic thing that if you want to learn this language, you have to be start speaking. And uh, like for speaking, you have to speak in front of people and mirror, and also if you start speaking with in front of those people who are really familiar with you and they start encouraging you, so it's a good thing. And even like being a Haryanvi, I didn't have that surrounding or speaking, still they list. And my father, if I talk about my father, he really happy when he see me, like okay, it's a very good thing whenever I speak English. My father always starts encouraging me that okay, and she starts encouraging me that okay, you are doing good, and I can see his happiness when I speak English, because uh, in my surrounding and in my locality, there's no lots of person who are very, they have a phobia of speaking English. And when I speak, my father is like, so I'm doing something big, and it's a and when I started, he yes, he saw my performance, I was not able to speak, and he always, he what that word, he started finding my mistakes, like these are the mistakes you did in your video, and why are you doing, why are you feeling nervous while making video, and all these things. So that's why I'm saying sorry. That's why I'm saying you have to be start speaking. You have to be get rid of your fear of speaking. If you start speaking, I mean, if you feel comfortable while speaking, whether and what I suggest you, before starting English, you have to be start speaking in front of people, so the fear of speaking is get rid of, then you can do start English. And it's a good thing that if you're familiar with speaking, and after that you can start, it will be really really easy for you. And I'm just giving you suggestions, otherwise, because I know what my situation was. That's why I'm saying. And it's a very good thing when you start. And if you want to start with English and you have a like you have confidence to start, then you can start with English also. Okay. And what I think while taking and while starting this 30-day challenge, it was like, then if I start after this break, it would be very hard for me to start. I mean, it would be really hard to start, because I was like, I if I start, then I was feeling nervous and some stress while making video. But it's not like that. Even I'm feeling enjoying. So this is the good thing also. And yes, I'm enjoying. And if you really want to start, then you can start. It's a very easy thing that why easy thing? Because doing something new for you, for ourselves, it's a really good thing. And yes. Okay, so thank you so much. And why I'm taking this challenge? Because I really want to be speak English, because I don't have any surrounding to speak I can speak with, and I just only do practice with that application written, and sometime in front of a mirror and making this video. So that's why. And it's a good thing that I can speak. Thank you so much for supporting me. Bear with me. It's a good thing. And if you really want to start, then you can start. Do for yourself. Okay. And thank you. Jai Hind.